and all the packages, only the package can be installed by using this command which are available on the repository. If the package does not exist on the repository, you cannot install it on your system. So if the packages which are not exist on your repository, for the example which I have run some time, apt then install CompTIA for Linux, and this package does not exist. Similar, the Google Chrome does not exist. So if you want to install these packages, so what you will do? You will have to download the package first, then you can use the command dpkg Debian package manager. This is actually the older version of the older utility which is used for the installing the package, but it is used nowadays also, because if the packages are exist, but for the like I am going to Skype download Skype, you will have to search download the package for the Linux. But Kali Linux, as you know, this is the Debian based operating system, so the RPM will not work for this. So you will have to download the Debian package. Okay, so once you will download the Debian package, you can install on your system by using the dpkg command. Okay, dpkg command also used for the list the package, query the package, and uninstall or remove the package. So what are the possible options available with the dpkg? So you can check here dpkg hyphen help command you will use. So it will display all the available options. -i or -- install used for the installing. If you want to unpack, so -- unpack is used. If you want to remove and purge, I have told you already, to removing the software with its configuration files. Another is list for the packages. So I move into the download folder. And you can see the Debian package has been downloaded. Now it's time to install it. So how you can install? Sudo dpkg and -- install, then give the package name CompTIA for Linux, and it will unpack and it will install. But what is the difference between the installing the package by using the dpkg or what is the apt? Because I have told you previously, some Linux software having the dependency problem. So what is the dependency problem means? Some software are dependent on other software. So when you will run the apt or you will install the package by using the apt, so it will download the dependencies and install it automatically. But when you will run the dpkg and install the package, so only the standalone package will be installed, no dependency will be installed. So sometime when you install the package, you will facing the problem with the dependency, means if the dependency does not exist, so your package will not execute properly. So in this scenario, what you can do right now, I am going to remove this package whatever I have installed sometime before. You can search here, the Skype is available now. Here it is. So if you want to remove the package, so you can use the -- remove command, or you can use -r and then give the name of the package. So package name is Skype for Linux. So it has been removed. Now if you check here, the Skype does not exist. So if there is a dependency problem with the, so you can install the package by using the apt and install local, then give the name of the Skype for